It's Lila, and today we're going to be talking about the mortgage crisis, the OpenAI overhaul, and data cables in space. I know this layout is a little different. I'm using Gemini for the first time to help me build these slides, and I think it's very unique. So, I'm going to call this segment The Headlines That Impact Your Wallet. From Washington, D.C. to Silicon Valley, the biggest news is revolving around them this week. So, the current administration proposed a 50-year mortgage to help try to solve the housing affordability crisis by significantly lowering the monthly payments for new buyers. Because if you have a higher mortgage, in terms of like how many years you have it, you're usually paying less. However, that is like an immediate relief, but the catch is total interest will be nearly double over the life of the loan. Equity build is also way slower, so then you can go out underwater a lot faster. There are things holding this act from passing, but we'll see what happens. Do you have issues with your mortgage right now? So, we also have some AI news. OpenAI just loves drama, right? They are doing an overhaul to their corporate structure, and the move is designed to attract massive private investments so they can prepare for an IPO, which is an initial public offering so they can be publicly traded. The nonprofit board will maintain, oversight though to keep the core mission of OpenAI, which is, having a cool chatbot, JK, AGI technology, AI development for the greater good of society. And they're also doing a different type of marketing, which I find very unique. They're hiring people like TikTok stars to promote like AI. They specifically got Alex Earl, who is the quintessential hot blonde IG model, to promote Copilot, and I think that's pretty cool. Not only is Copilot a tool for business, but it's also a tool for life. I like Alex Earl, by the way. Next up, we're going to be talking about data centers. And I know that's very controversial, especially in Michigan where I live. There is one that is going to be built soon. And a lot of people aren't happy because it uses a lot of energy, water, and other resources. However, if you put one in space, unlimited cooling, right? Renewable energy, since you can use solar, since you're literally closer to the sun, and you're not using as much like earthly, whatever you want to call it, earthly things like water and like soil in real estate. And it helps curb the carbon footprint in massive server farms on soil. I think this would be really cool, by the way, because you're killing two birds with one stone. You're pleasing the people and you're pleasing the environment. I'd work in a data center in space. That'd be cool. What do you think? And yeah, here are the image sources. That's interesting. Like I said, Gemini helped me make this. So yeah. Anyway, let me know what you guys think.